Having trouble logging in? There are a few common reasons why the Straight Talk app might be giving you trouble. First, double check your emails, phone, and password. These are case sensitive. Also, Straight Talk now uses two-factor authentication, 2FA, so ensure you're getting those SMS codes or app-based codes correctly. Server outages on Straight Talk's end, operated by TrackPhone Walmart, sometimes happen, so check their status page. New updates to phone software and the app itself can sometimes cause login errors too, particularly on iOS 18.1 and Android 15, as these can misconfigure your app permissions. Finally, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Poor Wi-Fi or carrier throttling can mimic app problems. Stay tuned to the next section for fixing the issues. Start by verifying your Straight Talk account credentials. Then, update the Straight Talk app and your phone's operating system to the latest versions. Clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Straight Talk. For iPhone, force quit the app or try resetting your network settings. Ensure the app has necessary permissions like contacts and notifications on iOS and storage and location on Android. If you still have issues, try disabling any VPNs or allow unknown sources if you're on Android. If all else fails, contact Straight Talk support. As a future step, consider enabling auto updates to avoid version mismatches, which can cause bugs.